Welcome everybody to the PT on Ice Daily Show. My name is Eric Chaconis and I teach our Extremity Management Seminar. Usually on these videos I try to bring you different examples of manual therapy techniques and exercise progressions that we teach in the course. But I've been wanting to do something a little different for a long time and do kind of like a cooking show. And so this is something more personal for me. I've never really been able to get my diet dialed in. I've always kind of struggled with getting enough greens and enough plants into my diet, and something that I've had some success with over the past year or two has really been a daily smoothie. So a daily smoothie of fresh greens and fruits and vegetables has been something that has been really helpful for me. And so I want to kind of give you one example of a smoothie recipe. Maybe this will motivate some of you to integrate, get more smoothies into your diet. I'd love to hear your ideas for different things that you like to do and maybe recipes that you will integrate. Maybe you can put that in the comments below. So I have a helper, and really this is the next level right here. If my helper can wake up every day and make me the smoothie, then that is just reducing another barrier that I have. And so that would be a good job, right, for you there, buddy.
Yeah.
So, all right, so what we're going to do, the helper is going to kind of get us along here. You're going to grab the ice. We're going to put the ice in there first. And so the reason we put the ice here, go ahead and dump it on in there, is because, I don't know, maybe my blender's cheap, I don't know, but it gets hot. And so if I don't put ice in, it'll get a little bit warm. But the hallmark to this for me is the kale. So maybe you can place the kale in there. Jam that in there, don't be shy. Yep, you gotta really stuff it down on in there. Yep, you got plenty of kale. And then we're gonna do, so kale, like, that's key, right? The nutrients from kale. I don't know anything about nutrition, by the way. This is all just anecdotal. And then let's throw some apples in there. Apples seem to sweeten it up. I like the apples. That's important. We'll do oranges. It's going to give it some sweetness too. That might not even be an orange. That might be a tangerine or something like that. I'm not quite sure.
I thought it was cutie.
Yeah, we'll see. And then some carrots.
Okay.
Now this one, I think we're going to be close to the top, so you got to jam it on in there. Jam it on in there, very good. Ginger. So you see those little pieces there? That's ginger. Ginger is important for me because it spices it up a little bit. So if you don't like the taste of kale, and just generally speaking, you like spicy kind of stuff, or you like ginger, throw some ginger in there. That's kind of nice. And then these avocados, you're just going to squeeze these kind of in there like that. So you get the avocado. The avocado seems to kind of thicken the whole thing up. And so I'm not a big fan of just like a juice, you know. I want kind of the pulp and I want all the fiber in there. And so the juices or the avocado seems to help with that. And then the last thing, just because we have extra of them around right now, squeeze a few of those limes in there. Periodically, you know, this is more like clean out the refrigerator type of a thing. We got all this extra stuff in the refrigerator, doesn't seem to make it into the weekly meal, and so I'll throw celery in there, carrots, whatever else is laying around that we got too much of, so that's perfect. So here it is, right? We're gonna blend all that up. We're gonna throw some water in there. We're gonna blend all that up, and then that is a nice way to integrate more plants into my diet in an easy way, because I am not good with the salads and all, and it's just hard for me to get those nutrients in there any other way. And hopefully that helps. Post your ideas. If you have a great idea for a smoothie or something like that, post it in the comments below. I'd love to hear your ideas. Thanks, everybody.
Hey, thanks for tuning in to the PT on Ice Daily Show. If you enjoyed this content, head on over to iTunes and leave us a review. And be sure to check us out on Facebook and Instagram at the Institute of Clinical Excellence. If you're interested in getting plugged into more ICE content on a weekly basis while earning CEUs from home, check out our virtual ICE online mentorship program at ptonice.com. While you're there, sign up for our Hump Day Hustling newsletter for a free email every Wednesday morning with our top 5 research articles and social media posts that we think are worth reading. Head over to ptonice.com and scroll to the bottom of the page to sign up.